Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of dry heat cooking. This is one of the 4 main cooking methods, and it involves using hot, dry air to cook our food. Think baking, roasting, and grilling. These methods are fantastic for creating delicious caramelization and crispy textures. First up, we have baking. This involves cooking food in an enclosed oven using radiant heat. Radiant heat waves come from the oven walls and the upper and lower heating elements. The oven-S enclosure and the use of radiant heat make it ideal for more delicate items like cakes, pastries, and breads, as well as casseroles and some vegetables. The consistent, even heat distribution ensures that the food cooks uniformly throughout. For perfect baking results, it's crucial to preheat your oven to the correct temperature. This allows the oven to establish the desired temperature throughout before you put your food in. Using the right baking sheet or dish is also important. A lighter colored baking sheet will reflect some of the heat, whereas a darker one will absorb more heat. For recipes that require a crispy bottom, like cookies or a pie crust, I prefer using a dark baking sheet. On the other hand, if the recipe calls for a moist environment, like for baking a cake, then I'll opt for a lighter colored or a shiny baking pan. Next, we have roasting. Roasting is similar to baking, but typically involves higher temperatures and is primarily used for larger cuts of meat, poultry, and vegetables. Like baking, the oven's dry, circulating heat cooks the food evenly. The high heat helps create a beautiful crust on the outside, while keeping the inside wall-to-wall medium rare or medium. To achieve this perfect roast, start by searing the food. Searing is a quick, high-heat cooking process that helps develop the desirable Maillard reaction, which creates those delicious brown bits and complex flavors. After searing, I recommend using a roasting pan with a rack. This allows for air to circulate around the food, promoting even cooking. Basting the food with its own juices or a flavorful liquid can help keep it wall-to-wall medium while adding extra flavor. And last but not least, we have grilling. Grilling utilizes direct heat from a flame or hot coals. It's fantastic for quickly cooking steaks, burgers, vegetables, and fish. The high heat also helps develop the Maillard reaction, searing the exterior while keeping the inside wall-to-wall medium. The grill's grates provide those iconic grill marks, and the smoky flavor adds a unique taste to the food. To control the heat, adjust the grill's vents or move the food to different zones. Direct heat is great for searing, but to cook food through indirect heat is better. Once you've mastered these techniques, you'll be able to create delicious meals with ease. Remember, the key to amazing dry heat cooking is caramelization. This process transforms sugars and amino acids, creating those rich, complex flavors and beautiful brown color. To promote caramelization, ensure your food is dry before cooking. Use high enough heat and don't overcrowd the cooking surface. With practice and a little experimentation, you'll be on your way to becoming a dry heat cooking pro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.